Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing okay. I really enjoyed watching your videos about your dogs or the different animals that you got to watch in this time. So I wanted to show you a couple of videos of my dog. She's a mixed breed, or as we call them, Runa. Her father is a English Shepherd, and her mother is a Swiss Mountain Dog. So she's a little bit awkward and funny. So her name is Luna, and today I wanted to show you interesting behavior that I got to see in Luna because she hasn't had any kind of training. Nevertheless, she understands what the catch the ball game is about because normally you have to teach a dog that you throw the ball and they have to retrieve it and give it to you. But Luna never got that teaching example. But she understood from the first moment that if she wanted to keep playing, she had to return the ball to the person who was playing with her. So today to see in Luna was that what I expect you to see from my dog. She's a very playful dog. As you can see, she has a monkey stuffed animal in her mouth that she took from my bedroom as she was a puppy, so I couldn't take it away anymore. So she's a very attentive dog, as you can see. She noticed that I was recording her from the porch of the house, and she couldn't pay any attention to my father, so she preferred to infer what I was doing and why wasn't I playing with her. So I had to stop the video and make another one. So um, basically, I wanted to show you that she's a very playful dog and she is always very attentive. So this is the other video of my father playing with her. So my father basically throws the rope and she has to bring it back. But somehow today, I believe because she was playing with my father and not with me, or because I was recording her, she was a little bit disorientated and didn't want to didn't want to give the rope back to my father. So he started teasing her with the stuffed monkey because she is a little bit ambitious and she wants to have it all, as you can see there. Like if you throw a ball, she might also run towards the ball and then she wouldn't know what to do because she has the ball in the mouth and she wants the rope in the mouth too. So I believe this behavior is because there are certain things that she knows for sure in my house that belongs to her. Like for example the rope, the stuffed monkey, the balls. So what she does, she doesn't exactly let you have them because it's her property. So she's a very playful dog, as you can see. She's very strong. She has very potent muscles. So as you can see here, she stops jumping because she gets that somehow she isn't getting the toy by trying to get it. So she tries to get the toy by another way, for example, behaving better. So I believe Luna is a very particular dog because I believe she's pretty intelligent. Like she's more intelligent as um, than other of my dogs, and she's the one who likes the most playing around and having playing time with us. So she's actually pretty intense and she has a lot of energy. As you can see now, my father throws the ball and she runs to get it and brings it back. So normally she doesn't do this, that she circles around the person who's playing with her. Normally she would go like direct towards the person that is playing with her and let the ball go so that you can throw it again. But she's she can maintain her attention in one toy in particular. So as soon as she gets another stimuli, she changes her focus of attention leaves the ball and tries to get the rope. So, and then again, when the stimuli is bigger of the ball, then she runs towards the ball. So I believe it's a very interesting way because she behaves like a little child, like a baby. So you can see that she is still a puppy. She's 7 months old and she is that big. She weighs around 37 kilograms. So she has um, grew a lot, and I think she has a good life. She can run, she can play. So yeah, that's my video of my animal observation, and I hope that you had a lot of fun with my dog. So see you next time. Bye.